Hey CFA, welcome to your WOD Explained for Wednesday, April 9th. We have a strength day for you today. So let's talk about it. All right, your warm-up are going to be 3 rounds of 6 walking lunges, and with each step you're going to drop into a Samson stretch and hold for 10 seconds. And then come up out of that, take the next step, drop into a Samson stretch. You know, it's a walking lunge, which is virtually the same as a moving Samson stretch, but you're going to hold for 10 seconds at the bottom of each one in that stretch, and then come up, take a next step, take a step with the next leg, and so forth. So 6 steps of that. Then you're going to do 12 steps of duck walks. You're going to duck walk for 12 steps. So you're going to drop down into a squat with your hands behind your head, nice and low, with the maintaining that neutral spine. If you're slouching over, then you're squatting too low. If you can't keep your hands behind your head and maintain a neutral spine, then don't do it. There's a video on our website for it. Check out the duck walk. I encourage the coaches to videotape this, please. I haven't had a good laugh in a while. So it's a great movement. You're going to see it more. But so that's going to really limber you up for what our WOD's going to be. So after your 12 steps of duck walking, you're going to do 4 sequences of the barbell bear complex with an empty barbell, which means power clean, front squat, push press, back squat, push press is one sequence. You're going to do 4 of those in a row. That'll, each round. And just continue, just use the empty barbell. If you want to add a little bit, you can to get yourself warmed up if the barbell is just really, really light. But the idea is to, come up overhead, press that to get full extension, limber yourself up. Then for the WOD, the strength day is snatch, grip, deadlift. Okay, we're doing 6 sets of 2 with the most weight that you can do, and adding weight as you go along until things start, until things start falling apart. And if they do, I'll try to use complete sentences, how about? And if they do, then you're going to back down the weight, but I want 2 unbroken, not deadlift, drop, and then pick up again. So this weight isn't going to be as heavy, and snatch grip compared to your normal deadlift, it's a lot more challenging to be in that proper position that low. So I want you to take it upon yourselves, and with the help of the coaches, is that if you're way out of position, because a snatch grip deadlift, you're not in the same angle as you are for a typical deadlift, then you need to put some bumper plates under your bar so that you can be in the right position. If your back angle goes like this in order to get that low, that's not a good starting position. You want to still be up here, your angle, more like that. Which means that you're going to need to raise the bar up to that point where you can still maintain a neutral spine with a good angle. So the coaches will talk you through that and make sure. 6 sets of 2 after a very thorough warm-up. Then your cash out is going to be 3 rounds for max reps of 1 minute of wall walks, followed immediately by 1 minute of power wall balls, which is like the push press version. You don't go all the way down. You only dip a little bit, but you got to get to those marks. You want 10-foot target men with a 20-pound ball, and women at least a 9-foot target with the 14. Go for the 10-foot mark if you're badass. So 1 minute wall walks, 1 minute power wall balls, 1 minute rest. 3 rounds of that for your cash out. That's it. That's your WOD Explained, your strength day for Wednesday, April 9th for CrossFit Advanced. Hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you back here tomorrow.